uh Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access your messages when you're like on Facebook application. It has been like not working for some days back since we have been receiving many updates in these applications. So Facebook, receiving messages on Facebook, it was totally stopped. It's dead now. You cannot use it. You can open Facebook right now, and the problem we have been accessing as well, the moment you open and click on messaging through Facebook app, it will take you to the Messenger app. That means you have to install two apps in the phone, which is kind of hectic for those. Sometimes people don't use messaging a lot, they just use Facebook and leaves it. But if you want to message things, when you click on it, they will take you to where you can be forwarded to another app which is linked to it, the Messenger. But in this video I got a solution how we can sort of it. If you want to do it, you can go and browse like on Google which browser you'd like to use. You see it's already stopped. We have been like using Messenger or sending SMSs on Facebook after browsing into like Google, but now also it has been stopped. And another thing which we can do when it's totally stopped, you can go to Facebook Lite. Guys, let me take you to Facebook Lite. This is Facebook. So this Facebook doesn't work well, go to Facebook Lite. I wonder why a Lite app is better than a Royal app. For Facebook Lite, here you can text your people, you can respond to them immediately without switching apps from this app to another, which has been kinda a good thing we can do. Maybe if you don't like using messaging, you can just leave the old Facebook and use Facebook Lite. It's better to use, very easy, without having any hectic. It's having a feature where you can change everything, you can receive notifications immediately if someone sends a message, and it alerts you very well. See, it's very easy to use. You can see the statuses, everything. So Facebook Lite is the solution of it all. To me, I'm encouraging you guys to use Facebook Lite. It's the better and best option to use. So thank you guys. For any information you can just ask, I'll be there to respond towards you.